Hi viewers, welcome back to ApplyNow. In this video, we will show you the exact steps to update your photo on your Aadhaar card. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any important details. You may need to update your Aadhaar photo if your face has changed over time. Many people got their Aadhaar 10 years ago, so the old photo may not look like them now. This can cause confusion or problem during ID checks, so it's important to keep your Aadhaar photo updated. So there are two phases. One is applying for appointment with the seva kendra. Second is reaching the seva kendra on the appointment scheduled date and get things done like photograph and taking the biometric session. This is how you can change. Let us get into the video. In order to book online seva kendra appointment, you need to reach the myaadharuidai.gov.in. This highlighted link is provided in the description section of this video, which you can use to reach this page. Once you reach this page, please scroll down. You can see book an appointment. Click here to book an appointment for enrollment or update. Please click on here. You will be reaching the next page, which describes what are all the facilities you can avail by booking an appointment for biometric, that is photo, fingerprints and iris update. So in these cases you need to book an appointment. So for that you have to select the place where you want the booking. If you stay anywhere, you can select the place and just click on the proceed to book appointment. In this video I am booking for Chennai 10 Square Mall. In Tamil Nadu you have two places. One is Chennai and another one is in Madurai. Madurai first floor, PK Towers, KK Nagar, opposite district code, Tamil Nadu. And there are many other places starting from Kashmir to Tamil Nadu. You have many places to book. So we have selected 10 Square Mall and click proceed to book appointment button. Once you click on this, you will reach a page where you can see different options. If you are going for new Aadhaar, manage appointments, document update, Aadhaar special services, which requires all these booking. Now we are going for Aadhaar update. In order to book Aadhaar update, you have to provide the mobile number here and the captcha which is provided here, and then generate OTP. The mobile number which you are going to provide here is going to be your registered mobile number. Just a moment, I will click on the mobile number and enter the mobile number and also finish the captcha. Now the mobile number is entered, captcha is provided. Once I click on the generate OTP, it has to take me to the next page. Once I click generate OTP, I will get a success one-time password. OTP has been sent to this number. Please enter OTP and verify. Just click on the OTP source area and enter the OTP and click on the verify button. Now I am going to enter the OTP here. Added the OTP at the right place and just hit the verify OTP button. It says OTP has been successfully verified, so that we are getting this page. Now resident type is going to be resident because I am a resident of India. Non-resident of India, NRI or foreign national can select these option accordingly. So your update is what you have checked for the scheduled appointment online page and the opening online page. So update will be inactive. Then you please enter the Aadhaar number, name on Aadhaar, date of birth, and then the document type you are going to change, and also select the state. You have to select your state, your city, and then the Aadhaar seva kendra. It says this is what is available. Now after I fill these information, there is a next button. If you see, there is a next button which is provided below, which I need to click. Just I will enter this detail and hit the next button. Now I am going to click the next button as all the details are provided here. Once I click on the next button, personal details page will be provided for selecting my choice. Please select any of these service as per your need. Biometric. The relevant selection will give the respective applicable fee. For biometric, it is 100 rupees. This is how you can choose, and the respective fee should be paid at the later stage in this online process through make payment. and going for the next option. Once you click on the next option, we are going to select the appointment date. This is something like booking a movie ticket. On this date, it shows full red, meaning I can't avail any booking now. If I select tomorrow or next 30th, I'll get slots open. The white ones are slots available for me. The reds are not available. If I click on the slot between 2:30 and 2:50, the schedule will be provided here. On 30th Wednesday, July 2025, between this time at this place, your appointment is confirmed. If you say OK to it. So red marks not available, while white marks are available slot. So now I am going to click the next button. Once I click the next button, I will see the detail like appointment type update, seva kendra address, verification type, time slot, application date on which I made the application, name on Aadhar, date of birth, OTP mobile number, and then hit the submit button. Before that, please subscribe to ApplyNow and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video on government schemes, application procedures, and important updates. Stay informed, stay ahead. If I hit the submit button, I will get the payment page. Once I hit the submit button, it says please ensure all the filled information are correct. Once submitted, the information cannot be edited. Do you want to continue? It says you have to double check. Okay, I'm done with it. I will say okay means it will be loading to another page where please make payment to complete the appointment will be provided. If I click on the appointment payment mode, then it says you have to make online payment or pay you through this method. Once I hit on the make payment button, I will be reaching the payment gateway page and process the online payment as per my applicable mode to complete the payment for my appointment booking with the Seva Kendra. Once I book the appointment, I will get a receipt which will look like this. This is how you will get a receipt where the payment details will be available and the respective details for appointment with the place and the name and the person with Aadhar details will be available. So this is how you can book Seva Kendra online appointment for Aadhar updation through online. Once you receive the acknowledgement receipt, make sure to reach the Seva Kendra at least 30 minutes before your scheduled appointment time. Head to the respective counter and report your arrival. Your details will be marked in the register and you will be issued a token. Please wait until your token number is announced. Once called, proceed to the specified counter and follow the operator's instruction for your biometric and photograph updates. After the process is complete, you will receive another acknowledgement slip and an SMS alert will be sent to your registered mobile number. The operator will also inform you about the delivery of your updated Aadhar card. Keep an eye on SMS updates from the department to track the status of your updated Aadhar delivery. Thanks for choosing our video today. If you found it useful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Feel free to like, comment and share this video with your friends, family and anyone who might need it. Got a specific procedure or topic you want us to cover? Drop it in the comments. We would love to help. Thanks again for watching and we will see you in the next one. We also have a Tamil channel called Apply Tamil. This video is available there in Tamil. Share the link which is provided in this description section with anyone who might find it helpful.